Introduce highlight features or overview summary for magnetic Wi-Fi wireless backup camera, BUTOA-X front/rear view camera, 9600 mAh rechargeable battery. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: magnetic base BUTOA-X magnetic hitch wireless reversing camera is equipped with 6 strong magnets, which can be easily attached to any metal surface. No need to connect wires or drill other hardware, saving installation costs. It helps you easily hook up your vehicle to any trailer, boat, camper, RV, fifth wheel. Battery Wi-Fi backup camera is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The battery can be easily charged via USB power cable, power supply, 5 volt, 2 amp. No need to replace the battery for the reverse camera wirelessly. With power display, you can clearly know the power status of the camera and charge it in time. Waterproof and IR Super Night Vision with fully sealed housing design, the wireless reversing camera has IP67 waterproof rating. It can work properly in all kinds of bad weather conditions. BUTOA-X reversing camera is equipped with 2 large IR LEDs and auto light sensor, which provides a clear view in the darkest night without any ambient light. Stable wireless transmission signal. Other traditional wireless reversing cameras, the BUTOA-X Wi-Fi reversing camera generates its own Wi-Fi signal, does not support internet connection. The wireless digital system has a digital wireless range of 100 feet, no obstructions, and is guaranteed to work even on the highway. Easy to install and use. BUTOA-X wireless backup camera with HD color sensor and 150 degrees viewing angle helps you easily connect your vehicle to any trailer, boat, camper, truck, etc. in seconds. Small and portable, you can easily install it and then simply turn on your phone and connect to use it as a backup camera or hitch camera. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe and press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.